Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your wallet and verifying eligibility. Do that now. Once your wallet is connected, check the snapshot date and minimum token thresholds so you qualify. Next, enable contract approvals. Sign the permit transactions the site requests and set a reasonable gas limit to avoid failed transactions. Make sure to confirm the network matches the airdrop chain and review requested permissions before approving. Don't just click through. Next, execute the claim flow. Start by clicking claim and follow prompts to sign the on-chain transaction. Once done, watch the transaction until confirmed. If gas is high, batch multiple claims to save fees and manage non-C ordering to avoid collisions. Use a hardware wallet for larger amounts because that adds security when you sign. If a permit or off-chain signature is required, copy the exact message and never share your seed phrase. Finally, confirm the tokens show up in your wallet. If they don't, add the token manually using the contract address and correct decimals. Once confirmed, secure any claimed tokens, consider staking or transferring to a cold wallet. If a claim fails, inspect the transaction error, then retry with adjusted gas or the correct non-C. If that still fails, gather your transaction hash, wallet address, and screenshots, and contact support. They can trace the issue using the blockchain data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.